Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath964.
FamilyMath964. So this is problem number 7 from Mosteller's 50 Challenging Problems in Probability. So it says Mr. Brown always bets $1 on the number 13 at roulette against the advice of kind friend. To help cure Mr. Brown of playing roulette, kind friend always bets Brown $20 at even money that Brown will be behind at the end of 36 plays. How is the cure working? Most American roulette wheels have 38 equally likely numbers. If the player's number comes up, he's paid 35 times the stake and gets his original stake back. Otherwise, he loses the stake. Okay, so we've actually got a new tripod, and it's a little bit different distance away from the table that we're used to, but hopefully I'll get it working right. Okay, tell me some things you know about this. Let's erase some of the smudges that the book caused.
So, for the game, you bet an amount, you bet X, and then there's 38 numbers, so 37 out of 38, you're going to end up with minus X. And then 1 out of 38, you end up with plus 36 out of 38. Or plus, I think it's just plus 36x.
Yeah, so you get 35 times your original amount.
Alright, so let's be careful. And just, can you double check the math? Let's pretend you started out with 1.
So if you start out with 1.
What do you have at the end of the 2 rounds?
So you would go, if you lose 37 out of 38, you would go to 0.
Okay.
And this you would end up, you get your original stake back.
Yeah.
So you would end up with $36.
Okay.
Right through the tripod. $36.
Okay, now, is this saying the same thing as this?
Well, I guess this is like what happens after each scenario. So here, you're losing $1, so you go down to 0.
Okay.
Here you're gaining $35, so you go up to 36.
Alright, are you guys satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, good.
Yes, I mean, if you wanted to, we could write plus 36 so that you can tell what you have overall. Or just keep it with $1 bets so that it's easier, maybe. So maybe we just take out the X's and we just replace it with 1s.
Yeah, whatever you guys want to do, it's easy. I just wanted to make sure that we understood the problem, right? Because there was a little bit different ways to interpret it. So, he bets his friend $20 even money that Brown will be behind at the end of 36 plays. Okay, so what is going to happen?
Well, there are a few scenarios that could happen. So you could write out how many times he has to win for him to be equal or above his winning, and then how many times or less he has to win to be behind.
Okay. Alright.
So if he wins 0 times, he's obviously going to be behind.
Actually, let's move on to the next video and just make this a separate video now that we kind of have a good sense of what we're going to do.